Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Vivoactive 6 and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of steps taken on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on it or by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the list of glances. And the first glance, by default, it should be steps. And here we have the progression through the day, through the goal. And you can tap on it. And here you have a graph that shows you the whole day. Also, you have like the average distance and stuff like that. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also check this information in more detail. So I'm gonna bring the phone that is paired with my watch. Let me actually clean a screen a little because it's quite dirty. Okay, bring the phone, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen. Okay, and on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the GARMIN Connect application. And here you should see the home page. And on it, if you scroll down, there will be at a glance, but there's no steps. So we need to tap on more and then tap on activities, I believe. And here we have steps, and you can tap on them. And we have the daily progression. We have also the weekly, 4 weeks, and the 1 year progression. So you can control, or rather see, a lot of more data than on the watch. And once you're done, you can of course close the app, and that's how you track the amount of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.